Strap goes under the speaker wires and then just one click on. All right, man. That's my the way I'm dressed in plus gloves, which are out on the bike. And what do we got going on here? Okay, 40 degrees at 2:15. So it's Saturday. This is what every day for me is like. It's nice as fuck. But I tell you, I worked a long time. I worked a good 30 hours a week for over 30 years to get to this point. Oh, turn it on. There we go. So how are you handling this COVID shit? And I know everybody's going to be different, at least based on your age. You should be the same within your age. Hey, FJ alert. Fishing. Who's got the fishing license plates in Utah on an FJ? You've been spotted. All right. I'm not waiting for lights around here. Nothing's enforced. All right, that 27 miles an hour was uphill, people. All right, so here's something that I'm starting to notice. Mountain bikers, their e-bikes got the mid-motor and batteries that are hidden into the frame, so you gotta really look hard, have good eyes, and know what you're looking for to tell that they're electric. What are they ashamed of? I mean, it's just, hey, I got all kinds of bikes. I've had all kinds of motorcycles. It's just evolution of a sport. It's just evolution of the industry. If people will buy it, no big deal. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Alright, so did you notice what I just did? People walking, old man, old lady, out in the public, no mask, no problem, right? I'm riding my bike, no problem, no mask. I switched to the other side of the road. Just like I did there, just like I do here. They say that's one of the new Defenders. New Defender. They say 1 out of 49 people are spreading the disease. In 2 more months, everybody's gonna have this. Anybody that goes out into the public. So it's kind of like, do you want to go ahead and get it now? Or you want to wait 2 months when everybody's got it? Can you avoid everybody until they're saying July? They're guesstimating July to where I will be able to get the vaccine. Being a senior, I better be able to get that vaccine before you punk the little Gen Zers or millennials. It doesn't kill you guys. Up. That's about the 4th GoPro screw that I almost lost. The first that I did not lose. All right, I'm gonna point the camera down. Wow, that was a surge that I wasn't expecting with my hand off the throttle. right, this ought to be good right up here. The sun will be a little more at my back. Yeah. Right here. That's the shot I like. That's the shadow right there. Actually, a little bit more like that. Alright, so here's a question for you. When you go outside, do you wear a mask? When do you wear a mask? Another speed trap. 27, 28. Alright, so here's the way I look at it. Even if you're 20 or 30 years old, even if you're 18, 14, everybody should wear masks. And leave them on. Cover your nose all the time. Not wearing a mask is the same as you having one night stand consensual sex with people you don't know without wearing a condom. You're just asking for trouble. I think this is all downhill down to the light. So that even the 180 in the back wasn't enough to slow me down for that turn. I had to jump on the front brake. It did its job. Have you noticed all the snow's melted? There's nothing, maybe a dusting in the forecast. Forgot. Okay. I'm just gonna do the grass thing. All right, that's not bad. Thanks. Alright, my hands are getting cold. You know, the old GoPro is starting to feel real small compared to the newer one, especially with the media mod on it. All right, so let's see here, 252, little short ride. I think I might have got about 6 or 7 miles maybe before it got too cold. All right, man, see ya.